Hey guys, so I have this issue with the lighting on the Sportster. I installed LED lights for pretty much all the lights on the bike, the rear lights, the tail light, the front lights, and even the headlight. But now I have this issue where it's hyperflashing. So I'm going to be installing a module that fixes that. It's supposed to be an all-in-one module that fixes the hyperflashing problem. So let's check it out. Let's see if it fixes it for me. So this is the module that I'm going to be installing. The Badlands load Equalizer. Yeah, I'll put the model in the description. Can't find it. Load Equalizer 3 module. It's supposed to be plug and play. So it's got the plugins. I know there's some that have these disconnected. I mean, just plain without an adapter, without a connector, so that you can do a more custom job, but this is supposed to be more plug and play. So I guess all I have to do is lift this and somehow install it. I haven't read the instructions, so I'll figure it out. So there's the module installed. I haven't turned it on or anything. It's pretty easy. There's no, I mean, on the 2004 Sportster, there's no way to mess this up. All you really have to do is take off the seat, lift this, I don't know, module, stock module that's there, and underneath you'll find the connector. There's only one way that it fits. So yeah, I guess the hardest thing is going to be finding a place for it after you put it all together. Because I'm not sure how this is all going to fit together after it's been installed. Maybe I'll put it here or maybe that cover over there. But anyway, I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to try it out, and then we can see if it works. All right, so I'm going to give it a shot. Just going to turn the light on. So it used to flicker twice. Oh, it's still flickering. Well, that's odd. Well, it's doing its job. It's actually not hyper flashing. That's good. Let's try the other side. Little doggy. What are you doing, doggy? Yeah, it's doing its job fairly well. That's good. Well, that does it. Now I'm just gonna find a way to organize the wires back here. Let's see if I can move you there. Yeah, that's the mess there. I'm not sure how to organize this. I may have to get creative because there's not enough space when the seat gets in here. There's not enough space, so I'll find a way. All right. So the installation was easier than I thought. The only hard thing was that I already have an alarm system installed, an aftermarket one, and I had to deal with all the wiring mess that I had in there, but that's my fault. It should be much easier for you. It literally is just plug and play as it says in the instructions. So kudos to Badlands for making this product such an easy thing to install, and it works just as it's intended to. So Awesome. It's only 60 bucks. I definitely recommend it if you're having this issue as well, especially if you can get one of the ones that says plug and play specifically for your model. So as you guys saw, everything's working, so I call that a wrap. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so just one last thing that I wanted to say. You can actually get the Badlands Illuminator. So the module I installed is actually just the Badlands load equalizer module. There's another one called an ILLUMINATOR, which will do both the load equalization and it will leave the rear turn signals as running lights as well, and they can still function as turn signals. So if you wanted to do that on your bike, especially on these older bikes that do not have running lights or running turn signal lights, then I would definitely go for that one. I will be keeping this module since I already installed it. I already spent some money on it, but definitely keep an eye out for that one if that's something you've been wanting to do. Thank you guys for watching. I left some links in the description in case you want to go shopping for those. So they are affiliate links, and if you do use those, it will help the channel. So thank you very much for clicking on those if you are going to buy those. So thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time. See ya.